All right, now let me take you to my colleague Sushant Mehta, who is going to be joined by legendary actor Anil Kapoor for a conversation. Sushant, over to you.
Yes, well, joining me now, 64 years young, the youngster, Anil Kapoor, sir. Happy birthday, first of all. What's happening?
Oh, thank you so much. How are you, man?
All well. Matlab, 2020, you have become like a beast as far as fitness is concerned. It's so awesome to see you work out and you share those workout posts. This reverse aging process.
Thank you.
I always ask you about this. Walk me through this. And this year, though, you've broken all records.
Thank you so much. Yeah, actually, you asked me to walk through it. Okay, cool, okay. You see, what happened is, when this lockdown happened, I said, of course, it was very unfortunate what happened in 2020, and obviously we've done our best to cope with it. But I said, now let me take this opportunity, or whatever you say, this kind of a situation, good, bad, indifferent, whatever the situation, you have to make the most of it. So I said, now let me, instead of working out once, let me work out twice. And do things exactly what I've never done. Spending a lot of time with my family and spending a lot of time to, build my immunity as well as my strength, and obviously a little bit of biceps and a little bit of, I said, let me also, give a shot on the beach without my shirt.
I saw all of that. But tell me honestly, iska raaz kya hai? I've always asked you this question. Once again, I'm asking you. It can't be just the workout. At 64 years, nobody looks like this, Anil sir.
No, I think it's basically, obviously, it's a combination of, intake and outtake. It's about, of course, your diet, which is very, very important. अगर आपको 4 रोटी की भूख है तो सिर्फ 2 ही खाइए. जैसे उस दिन मैं मिल्खा सिंह जी के साथ I was doing an interview, and that's where I heard that. And of course, exercise is very necessary, and that's what I do. I at least work out from 45 minutes to 1.5 hours every day, ranging between 45 to 1.5 hours. And I look after my diet, and of course, I sleep well, and I remain positive. Yeah.
Right. 2020 has been a tough year, but what are your birthday plans? Now, it's so exciting that we've got you live on India Today on your birthday. So, birthday plans kya hai aaj ke?
Birthday plans, I'm shooting, and I shot in the morning. I've just wrapped up and I've come back to the room. I am in Chandigarh. I was shooting with Jug Jug Jio with Neetu Singh ji and Varun, and and of course they are COVID warriors at the moment. They have recovered. My director, and we are back on set, and we finished Neetu Singh ji's work today, and she's gone back to Bombay to spend time in Mumbai, to spend time with the family, and celebrate Christmas. And Varun and me and Kiara are still here. Okay,
so you will have your little party with Varun and Kiara. Talk to me about AK versus AK. This seems very, very exciting.
Thank you.
This time also, as usual, I look forward to everything that you do. What are you doing in AK versus AK? I think you are ready to kick Anurag Kashyap's behind.
No, it's been one of the most exciting films I've done, and I really enjoyed, and when I heard the script, I said, when he told me, I said, you have to play Anil Kapoor, you have to play yourself. Anil Kapoor and Anurag Kashyap has to play Anurag Kashyap. So I was wondering, I said, how do I play myself? Do I play the real self? Do I play? Then I watched a lot of films, read a lot, and then I discussed, and I said, I must create a character of slightly, which is slightly the exaggerated version, or you can say kind of a perception, and and so that work in such a way that I play Anil Kapoor, the character, not Anil Kapoor, the real self, which is there in the real life. Of course, in every character which I play, there is always something of myself in it. So there is, compared to the other character, there's a bit more in this character, but still I'm playing Anil Kapoor, the character in the film. Yeah.
Okay, and there was a huge controversy. The Indian Armed Forces, the Air Force, took objection to you wearing an Air Force costume and then using foul language. What happened there? And you also issued an apology?
You see, to be honest with you, the Air Force, I've always wanted to play an Air Force officer in a film. But I've never got an opportunity. I played an Army officer. And there's one film which I've been offered as a naval officer also, which hopefully if I do it, let's see. But Air Force officer, I've never had this opportunity. But this film, there is one a kind of a scene where I'm playing I'm the Air Force officer for just one little shot, and then I come back in the van, and there is a scene between me and Anurag, and he says, I am going to kidnap your daughter, okay? And I've kidnapped your daughter, not kidnap, I have kidnapped your daughter. So obviously I get very, I'm anguished and I'm very angry with Anurag, the character, the director. And of course, I'm, so thodi tu mein ho jati hai, and of course I use slightly inappropriate language also because I'm so angry as a father. So it's a father's anguish. But unfortunately, at that moment, I was wearing the Air Force officer's uniform. What happened in the clip with the trailer just shows that. So obviously there was some, they were upset. So I said, I went to them and I spoke to them, and they've been very, very generous and very kind. And I said, I expressed my deep gratitude to the Indian Air Force and the MOD for being considered to overlook this, transgression as a special case, taking into consideration that it was an unintentional oversight, to be honest with you.
Okay. And Anil sir, you are a true legend. I mean, I can go on and on about your films from Parinda, start from Wo Saath Din, Ram Lakhan, Slumdog Millionaire, you name it, even Welcome, everything that you've done is golden. But this year, 2020, has been so tough. And especially some have tried to defame the industry, along with the Sushant Singh Rajput, his death in the aftermath. So the industry was painted like this place where, there are drug parties, there's a drug menace going on, there's a mafia. How do you respond to those charges, being such a senior member of the industry?
To be honest with you, at the moment, I am one of those who really follows all these things to a certain extent, because like my wife always says, are you an ostrich? Why are you, you just want to hear only everything what is positive and want to meet only positive people, and and so to be honest with you, I don't brush it under the carpet, but I'm slightly I don't get very deep into it, because anything which will, agreement or disagreement, whichever, anything which is going to disturb me, I stay away from it. So that's been, like, even when a film releases, I said, have you read the review? I said, no, I've not read the reviews. I don't read reviews. I'm going to read the reviews after 6 months or 1 year, so that at least I focus. So that must be one of the reasons, I'm not that I'm full of myself. I'm a responsible citizen. I know what is happening, but there are certain things I try to keep away from, all those kind of controversial things, to make any kind of statement, because, these days what is happening, everybody is misinterpreted, and, and people unnecessarily, react and get upset. I said, why should I go through all these things? For what?
Okay, fine.
I try to stay away from all these discussions, and I'm not a political person. I'm not interested in politics. You understand?
Yeah.
I am not I'm basically an entertainer. I'm an actor. I love acting. You asked me about AK versus AK. Yeah. You asked me about acting. You asked me about, yes, I've been in this, I love my country. I'm very, very patriotic. I'm very passionate. And anywhere I go in the world, I just speak, I said, I'm so fortunate that I'm from this country, This country it's a great country, It's so phenomenal. And that's what it is. And it's given me so much. It's given me so much, in terms of everything, to my entire family. So I'm always grateful. So I try to stay away from all these things.
Yes, and you want to stay away from the controversy, but yes, you've also given a lot back to the industry. Coincidentally, it's also our 45th anniversary today, India Today. So we thank you. Oh. We are celebrating together, and you have a great relationship with India Today. Some of your finest interviews, some of your finest moments on Aaj Tak and India Today. So we thank you today for celebrating your birthday with us.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Anil sir. Happy birthday, and looking forward to much more from you, especially AK versus AK. I'm looking forward to it.
That's an exciting film. Watch it.
Thank you. That was Anil Kapoor. News and updates continue on India Today.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, Like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.